Hey, hey y'all. It's your girl Miracle, sis. Anyways, it's day 1 of the 90-day challenge. It's 6 in the morning. I'm about to go for a walk. No, me and Liz are about to go for a walk. Yeah. How do I feel? I feel pumped. But you know, it's not how you start, it's how you finish. So day 1 could be like, you know, so exciting and all that jazz, and by day 90 we're crawling to the finish line dead. Probably still looking fat.
You like my hair?
Yeah, girl. I want to drop a verse this morning. Are you ready, sis? Philippians 4:13. I can do all things through Christ who gives me strength. It's gonna carry us these next 90 days. Yeah! Cock-a-doodle-doo. We're pumped! I've decided, or you'll see the name anyways of this channel, but I've decided to call this channel Hero in the Mirror. Get it? Mirror. Hero in the mirror. Only because I find that I can't save anybody if I need saving myself. So I need saving. Breakfast. NutriBullet. Blueberries. Cashews.
Did you know that celery has a lot of fiber?
Celery. Nectarine. Kale. Spinach. Grapes.
Oh, you're eating my grapes.
Pear. Banana. All about getting in that nutrition. Are you even facing it to me, girl?
Oh.
Oh my god.
What? It's a wide.
Half a banana.
It's like a fisheye.
All eyes on me. Sis, can you get some ice? Oh. This is a light peach yogurt. Some ice cubes. And some water. Excuse my messy kitchen. Shake, shake, shake. And voila. Breakfast is served. Let me taste this because I've never tried kale and spinach in some breakfast drinks, so. Meh. On my break at work, and this is what I'm having for lunch.
And it all starts with one free personalised budget plan.
Salad. Forgot to mention what I have in it. I have tomatoes, kale, spinach, rocket leaves, lettuce, beetroot, corn, beans, capsicum, cucumber, cashew nuts. Did I say beans? And almonds. Anyways, guys, hi again. I'm here with a... Yay!
It's only me, folks.
She's really keen. So she started her weight loss journey.
I have, but that doesn't mean I can't have chocolate cake.
She's a chocoholic.
You can have things you like, and you should have things you like in moderation, and then you'll be all right for all that hard work you are going to do. And myself.
Oh my gosh, she's sabotaging this vlog by telling you can... No, these next 90 days we're going to be, onto it.
You can have something you really, really enjoy.
She's the biggest chocoholic. I thought I was a chocoholic.
Yeah.
Until...
Folks, I love chocolate. I love it. I love it. Hot or
Serious.
cold, I really do enjoy it. And you should, it gives me energy so I can do my exercises.
Oh my
doesn't
god.
it? Isn't that what you do?
Please, whatever you do, just listen to half what she's saying. But anyways, yeah, she's doing really well. And do you feel like you have more energy?
I've got tons more energy after I've ate the chocolate.
No. No, she has tons more energy now that she's starting to lose some
No,
weight.
it's true. I have got a lot more energy, and I enjoy doing it. And if you don't do your exercise, it actually makes you feel stuffy. You need to unstuff.
Tip 101.
Yes, unstuff yourself.
Yeah, and that's in every sense of the saying unstuff yourself,
unstuff
meaning
yourself.
stop stuffing yourself.
Exactly. Get out there, do some exercises, breathe in and breathe out.
Oh,
and
mate,
enjoy
beautiful.
it.
Thanks, Linda.
You're very welcome.
I appreciate. What awesome, advice, from a pro. Just not the chocolate bit, people.
No, do the chocolates.
Oh gosh. Just finished work. It's 8 and it's late, so I'm having dinner. It's not the most not the most nutritional dinner, but I can't be bothered cooking. I need to make meals to freeze. But yeah, for dinner I'm having green banana and a noodle. I know, don't judge me. So it's like almost midnight. Oh no, it's like literally 2 more minutes to midnight and I'm here at the gym. Just finished to catch up with one of my girls, Glory. Picked up lunch from work. I'm so blimmin' tired, but I thought I'd come to the gym and get some form of exercise in. Got a 6 o'clock start tomorrow. I was gonna wake up at 3 o'clock tomorrow to come to the gym, but I thought nah, just come tonight so I can sleep. But anyways, day one is literally over. How do I feel? Pretty good. Pretty tired. Gym life sucks. I'm gonna weigh myself. How much? So around 137. Well, truth hurts. Thank God I haven't gone all the way back. Remember, I started at 158.9. It's not a good enough excuse to put on so much weight. Oh well. Day 2 of this 90-day journey. It's 4 in the morning. Breakfast on the go because you go to work. I want porridge. Feeling tired. And essential to weight loss is getting good sleep. I didn't get good sleep. I need more sleep. Morning tea! When I was doing my weight loss journey before. They look lovely, Miracle. What are we eating, sis? We're eating yogurt.
It's baby food.
That's probably the last thing I'm gonna eat today because I'm eating all day, eating half of food. After lunch, I had like 2 bananas. I snacked on 2 bananas. And I had this health bar, peach and almond.
I had noodles.
And then I had macro, organic, gluten-free, fat-free corn chips.
Fat-free, gluten-free, flour-free.
Oh no, literally. But they're good for you. They're macro. Macro is an organic range. They sell it at Woolies. So while me and Liz are eating yogurt, before we smash other things we need to do, our family's eating KFC. Oh no, just Rev and Josh. Struggle is not really real. Because it's not really a struggle for us. Oh, not for me, it isn't. Because I'm really determined. He's cleaning his piano. Day 3 of this challenge. I'm on my way to the bank with my mum. There's big things happening in the City of Refuge, and here we're in the mirror. Mom's got the money. So I haven't eaten yet. I haven't had breakfast because by the time I wake up, done my Bible study and all that jazz, I didn't bother to think about it. So we're gonna have a kebab, a falafel kebab. Falafel is it's like the vegan substitute of meat. So we're not, yeah. So we want falafel kebabs. Hello, Mum. I like this. It's like low GI, high in fiber, free from artificial flavors and colors, and sweetened with natural honey. It's like made of organic oats and water. Water's essential. You're going through 2 of these a day, you're all good. So hey y'all. I'm on my way to a catch up. You might have noticed I didn't work today. It was my day off. I'm back to work tomorrow, starting 9 o'clock. Didn't go to the gym yesterday or exercise at all for that fact yesterday. Because I was just honestly extremely exhausted and frustrated. Oh no, not frustrated. I was just tired. Just because of the lack of sleep. Which is no good. No good. So, yeah, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So today I just, had meetings at the bank with future clients, and also hung out with my parents, had lunch with my parents, and then I done my normal drop-offs. I do a lot of work drop-offs for my brothers and also work pickups for my brothers, and just worked on some stuff for my business and also my the vlogging channel and some stuff to do with ministry. I'm really excited. For some reason I just feel really pumped. Nectarines are really good for you. They are. It's 10:24. It's almost the end of day 3. Contemplating whether I should go to the gym tonight or not. I should. Yeah. I literally forgot to charge my GoPro last night. So my phone video is gonna have to suffer for day 4. What am I doing? I'm looking for okay. I'm on my way to work, and I had to buy some green tea. Green tea. Jasmine green tea from Macca's. Pear. So, it's day 4, and so this morning, as you watched, I had like 2 apples for breakfast, and that was it. That was literally my day. I had no chance to eat because I ended up being a diversional therapist today. It's the first time ever, and it was really fun. I really loved it. Diversional therapy between to places at work. So I had no chance to stop and eat. And then when I got home, cereal, and then I had 2 crackers. Very what's the word? Nutritional. We really need to go for a run tonight, actually. And I can't look at my fat blister.
You know, I tried to wake you up this morning.
Fat blister. That's why I haven't been able to run. Actually, today I finished work and I just felt like eating unhealthy. It's only day 4. Oh my gosh, and already wanting to relapse. Anyways, water is essential. These are the best plums in town. What's the difference? So it's day 5. Day 5. It's Saturday. Day 5 of this journey. I've been really slack. It's 5 in the morning. I'm on my way to work. Sorry, as I was saying, I'm on my way to work, and this is what I have for This is what I'm having for breakfast up here because, like I said, I'm always on the go in the morning. Well, the main thing is in my head right now is that I started this journey, and I'm, because usually, like the last fortnight, my eating was so crappy. Like, I would be at Hungry Jack's and Macca's almost every day. It's really, really bad. And whatever I feel like eating, I would go and buy it straight away, eat it. And then I would stuff my face. And it wouldn't, I'll be so full every day. It's not a laughing matter, actually. No, it's not. It's just really silly. It's stupid habits. Whereas this week, like I'm not eating, those unhealthy things, and I've cut back on eating, and I'm drinking more water, and I'm starting to drink green tea again, and like even though I haven't been going to the gym or exercising as much though, like I still feel, because I've cut back on my eating and stuff, I still feel better. I feel better. I still feel better. So, progress. And I just need to just keep stepping up my game, especially if I want to lose more weight. Yes. So for me, it's gonna be a great day today. I'm gonna go to work, and then I'm catching up with a couple of girls. Like these, so these catch-ups, I do a lot of them for ministry, for both ministries in which I serve in, and also just randomly, like with people that God puts on my heart to catch up with, and it's just pretty much to see how they are and to encourage them and to speak life over them, really. And I love it. I love being a part of, spending that hour to speak life into that person's life, because it might be the only hour that I get in the next 6 months to sort of see how they are and sort of speak positivity and encouragement into their life. So that's why I do so many catch-ups. And I said I was going to take you into some of these catch-ups, but sometimes it's just these catch-ups are so deep that it's like, can you just pause? I don't want to be like, can you just pause for a minute? I'm just going to pull out my camera so I can just vlog us. It's really awkward. So, yeah. It's day 5. I'm grateful that I started this journey though. I am. I truly am. It's just I need to just step up my game and my exercise and my healthy eating habits. I think though for the first week I'm doing okay. It's an okay start. I know I know I sound like I'm making excuses. I keep saying to my mum, my little sister, you know, I just wish there was a quick fix to weight loss, man. You just snap your fingers 3 times, clap twice, and jump up and down, roll around, and then like slim. Yeah, but the reason why I'm in this journey, I need to explain. The reason why I'm in this 90-day challenge, this journey of healthy living and weight loss is because I want to have more energy. Like I want to be smaller in size so I have more energy and I can run around and do things and my body is lighter. I don't have to drag around weight. And I hate shopping. By being a bigger person, like you have to go and spend time shopping to find what fits your body properly and what looks okay. Like, and I really, I hate that. I want to just be able to run into a store, know my size, grab whatever off the racks and just go back home or go, you know, not have to spend like so much time in the shops. But yeah, I just really, and I want to live longer. I just want to be healthier so I can live longer, because I feel like God's put all these dreams into my heart to accomplish in the next 5 years, but I can't accomplish them if I'm like carrying around all this weight, if you know what I mean. Like I can't. It's just too much weight, and I hate being so stuffy and sweaty so easily because I'm big. Yeah, the struggle is real. And I don't mind sharing it with everybody, only because like the last time I done my vlogs, it was to keep me accountable, and then I stopped. I don't know, life happened, actually. That's why I stopped vlogging last year. It's really, and it was about the same time that I started, I just started it was called Miracles Forever Journey, and it just, I think I stopped at like almost day 40. What's different this time, I think my vision is clearer, and the purpose as to why I'm losing weight is clearer. Also, yeah. Good morning, Road. Morning tea. Okay, so I just finished the catch up. I caught up with girls who are the best of friends, Denise and Faye, you know, iron sharpens iron. I actually didn't get the chance to vlog my lunch because it was just crazy. But for lunch I had steamed carrots with parsley, white sauce of parsley, and potato. So that was lunch. And at my ketchup I only drank green tea, because I need to get my green tea, and I just wanted to feel like snacking on something that wasn't fruit or nuts. So I brought veggie crisps or veggie chips. They have 90% less saturated fat and they're cooked in sunflower oil, so it's a nice light snack. And I got a oat slice. I mentioned this before. It's made with organic oats. It's gluten-free, high in dietary fiber. It's free from artificial flavors and sweetened with natural honey. So hey guys. Hey I press record and then make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Links will be down below in the just above the comment section.